Hi, welcome to rmwraps. My name is Randy Miller and I'm going to be showing you how I wrap in an external door wrap. So the first thing I do is I clean it really good with rubbing alcohol and water, and I'm using the rag company Edgeless. It's that 365 rag. It gets all the dirt and gets all nice and clean and everything. The next thing I do is I use primer 94 around the edges. It makes the vinyl stick much better around the edges so it doesn't lift up in the future. And next I unroll everything. Because what I want to do is I want to make sure it fits the door before I take the backing off. So that's what I'm doing is I'm rolling it out, putting it on the door, a dry door. Just dry installing it. Make sure it fits. Okay, next thing I do is I'm using the double cut knife, and I went about 6 inches down, and it's 1 inch strip. Put the door wrap on. Make sure it's all nice and level and straight. Last, I put my hand underneath the strip where my left hand is. Take the strip off. And that's what I'm called tacking it on. So I'm tacking on the door wrap. And if I have any troubles, I can pull it off, put it back on. Now, this is what I made. It was called a classy squeegee, and it's designed for you to install the material and a lot less air bubbles and everything. So right here what you're going to see is I'm pushing my foot down on the vinyl and pulling it down with my foot. Now with these arrows, you can see the arrows right there. And I'm going to flip it. There you go. So if you follow the little arrows, you can see exactly that the vinyl, or actually the squeegee, needs to be a 30-degree angle when you're installing it, and that's where it forces the air down and out. That's the reason why I put the arrows on the squeegee. If you got any comments or questions, comment down below, and I always answer all my emails or YouTube descriptions and everything. And also we do a lot of custom prints and design. This is actually a custom print and design for this one for this customer right here. And right now I'm just cutting around the edges, cutting around the corners, just cleaning it up, making sure there's no air bubbles in it, and then I put the door handles on and then call it good. So if you got any comments, questions, comment down below. You can always call me 208-696-1180. Email me at rmwraps@gmail.com. And if you got any custom stuff, and kind of go from there. You can always see more stuff on the rmwraps.com website, and enjoy. Thank you for watching.
Hi, welcome to rmwraps. My name is Randy Miller, and this is the second print that I did. The first print lasted about 8 years, and that was a little too long, and it was kind of hard to get off. So I recommend, if you're doing an outdoor print like this, do 4 to 5 years, and then you got to remove it. If not, you're going to be scraping off the door. But I did this a little while ago, the design and everything. But I'll show up top right hand corner, show links how I installed this and everything. It's an air release vinyl matte sheen. So I did this door. That's a 36-inch door, and this is actually a 48-inch door right over here. Now it's just reapply this right here, and I'll send another video to go top right hand corner. Click on that and show you how I wrap this right here. So if you want something like that, just make sure the door is flat. Metal is the best subject to wrap it on, and if it's be hitting in the sun like over there, like every day, all day, max 4 to 5 years. This actually lasts a little longer than that, but we just replace it and everything. So I just add a little humor to this guy right here. So if you want some custom design like this, or if you see some designs you see on my website, rmwraps.com website, yeah, order there, or let me know what you want to see on your doors. All right, thanks for watching. If you got any comments or questions, comment down below. Email me at rmwraps@gmail.com. Also, you can always call me, 208-696-1180. All right, have a great day. Thanks.